Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to continue working with dominoes. We're going to start with this one first. So, how many dots are in this domino? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 dots on this domino, and we're going to continue to work with this domino here because we're actually working with numbers up to 19 today. Okay, so we're going to count up. Now let's take a look at this domino. Okay, how many dots are on here? 3, right? There are 3. Okay, so how many dots do we have altogether on this domino? Okay, we're going to figure that out first. Before we do any addition sentences, we're just going to work with looking at the number and how many dots we have in one group and then counting on with the second group, okay? So we have 10, and let's count up. 11, 12, 13. Very good. There are 13 dots in all. All right, let's try another one. Okay, now remember, you have 10 on this one. That one's not going to change. How many dots do we have on this domino here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So let's count how many there are in all. Okay, how many were on this one? 10. Now you don't have to unless you really need to. I mean, you can count all the little dots again, but since we've been working with this one now, we already know that there's 10. So just say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 dots in all. Let's do one more focus question here. Let's try that one. So again, you have your 10. How many more? 10, 11, 12. Very good. So that's the skill we're going to use when we are working on adding our numbers 11 to 19. Okay, now this time we're going to add some addition sentences to this. Okay, so let's have this one. We're going to make it on the simple side. So how many dots did we have in this group? That answer should be automatic. We have 10, right? Plus how many in this group? 1. Very good. Let's count up. 10, 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Very good. Let's do another one. So we're going to make addition sentences now with this. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this one. Okay. So we have how many here? 10, right? How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So what is 10 plus 6? We're going to count all of the dots all together. Now remember, we're just going to say what? 10. Very good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. Very good. Let's try another one. Try that one. How many dots do we have in this group? 10. Again, if you need to count it again, that's okay. You can count it again. How many on this domino? 1, 2. Very good. So 10 plus 2 equals how many? You're going to count all of them together. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. How many dominoes do we have here? Very good. We have 10. How many in this group? 1, 2, 3. So, how many do we have in all? Remember to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. We're going to keep going. Good job. Let's try this one. How many domino dots do we have here? Very good. There are 10. So 10 plus how many? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 plus 5 equals how many in all? Count all of the dots. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try this one. So again, how many dots are on this domino? 10. How many on this domino? Count all the dots on the domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So 10 plus 6 equals how many? Remember to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay, let's try another domino. Let's try this one. Oops, there's a little smudge on there. Okay. How many dots do we have on this domino again? You got it right. You got it right. That's 10. Very good. 10 plus how many dots are on this domino? Did you count all the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 10 plus 4 equals how many in all? Count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay. All right, let's try this one. It's a little tricky, but we think we got it. How many dots again on the top domino? 10. Very good. There are 10. Awesome. How many dots on this domino right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, so 10 plus 7 equals how many? Remember to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. How many dots are there on that top domino? 10. Very good. How many are on this one? Remember to count them all on this one domino here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what does 10 plus 8 equal? How many in all? Let's count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. So I have how many on the top one? Very good. 10. How many dots do I have on this domino? Count all the white dots on this domino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. 10 plus 9 equals how many in all? Let's count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. Very good. So, what we learned today was how to count up using dominoes. We started with a group of 10. There were 10 dominoes, not 10 dominoes, I'm sorry, 10 dots on the domino. And then we counted up as we were looking at each domino. So again, you're always starting with the same number. And since we were doing that, it should have been a little easier for you to just say 10 to work on counting up. And then when you got the other domino, to make up the other number, you had to count all these dots up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this one. Okay. So what we did was, with those dominoes, okay, and I'll erase that so I don't confuse you. So we started with the group of 10, and then we counted up from 10. So we went like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Great job working on making numbers up to 19, working with those teen numbers.